Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 2004 Dodge pickup Ram 1500 SRT-10. Just an absolutely beautiful vehicle here. Red exterior, black interior, 6-speed manual. It comes with the 8.3 liter V10 that is found in the Vipers. As you can see here, Viper powered. Just a very special truck here. It has become a sought-after vehicle for collectors and modern truck enthusiasts. So again, very nice truck, 2004 SRT-10, just over 50,000 miles on it, 50,357 I believe. But as we go over it, to show you the exterior, just tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida, on 301, just north of University, on the corner of Televast and 301. See the large disc brakes, chrome wheels. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. Won't go through the entire inventory. You can see it all on our website. Won't go in a second room either. You can see it on our website, classiccarsofsarasota.com. We have about 75 to 100 pictures of all the vehicles. You'll see them outside in better light than what you have here inside. Many of them will be up on the lift, so you'll be able to see the bottom as well. But we keep about 100 cars in inventory. About 80% of those are domestic classic cars. Another 20% are exotic, luxury, and or European, with some late models, as you see with this 2004 Dodge SRT-10. Again, very well kept vehicle. Exterior is in very good condition. Interior is just as nice. If you're not in Florida and you have an interest, please don't be hesitant to give us a call or visit the website. We are a full service dealership, so we can take care of your financing needs and or your shipping needs. If you're not in Florida, as I mentioned, please give us a call. We can ship this vehicle or any one of our vehicles anywhere in the world. Last year we shipped to over 19 US states and 9 countries around the world. So we can certainly get this vehicle to you. If you have finance needs or just looking to finance something, we can certainly help you there as well, as we have several late model lenders, and we also have several classic car lenders as well. Let's go ahead and get the hood open on this. Let's just see the engine. And there it is. Viper V10 on this 2004 Dodge Ram 1500 SRT. Highly collectible vehicle. Very clean. As I mentioned, it does have a K&N air filter intake. Again, very clean vehicle. Go ahead and get it started up for you. It does have a T56 6-speed manual transmission. You can see the black leather interior. Got the SRT insignia logo. And there you goes, the 6-speed. Again, visit the website. You'll see better pictures. Make sure we get the key here. Got neutral. Starts right up. Does have a AM/FM CD player. AC is blown cold. And only idiot light, or 2 idiot lights on. Got the seat belt and door ajar. Which obviously the door is open. See the Infinity speakers. As I mentioned, 50,357. Let you hear the exhaust. Get over to this side. No smoke or condensation coming out. Sounds good. And a little rumble. Yep, hear the engine. Again, this 2004 Dodge Ram SRT. It's got the Viper V10 in it. Black leather, 8.3 V10. T56 6-speed transmission. Just a beautiful vehicle. It was only 3,000 and I think 50 or 57, 3,057 of these vehicles made in 2004. Only 1,000 of them were in this color, red with a black interior. So when you purchase this vehicle, you're getting one of 1,000 vehicles made in 2004. Rev it up just a little bit here so you can hear it. Shut it off. There we go. Get it back in gear. If you have an interest or you have additional questions, please give us a call. 941-355-1955 or visit the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. We certainly appreciate you joining in. And if you're looking for additional vehicles or additional content, please like and follow us below. If I went too fast with the camera and you're looking for a better angle or different pictures, please visit the website, classiccarsofsarasota.com. We have over 75 pictures of the vehicle. It is up on the lift. You can see the underside. Again, appreciate you joining in. Any questions, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit the website, classiccarsofsarasota.com. Thank you.